everything is a process. G'day folks, Den here with another quick tip for you. Today I want to talk about the fact that everything that happens in your business is a process. Now, if you think about filming or creating content, there's actually a process you follow. Even a creative process has a number of steps. I used to remember when I used to light interviews, I'd light them with the same process every time. So don't be fooled into thinking you can't create processes as part of a creative business. It's just not the case. Take editing, for example. There are certain steps that happen every single time. Now, the more you understand that everything in your business is a process, which means everything in your business can be written down and replicated. And that is what sets you free. So think about all the steps in your business. Start to make notes about what you can do to build process into everything you do. Trust me, it will save you a lot of headaches.